day.
Today for my tech tip, we're going to talk about a super useful little feature in Gmail called Schedule Send. Basically, this allows you to schedule an email to be sent at a later date. So for example, if you're writing an email that you want to go out at specifically 9 a.m. the next day, you can write the email whenever you want the day before, schedule it to go out, and it will go out exactly at 9. So let's jump in and take a look at how this works. So once you're signed into Gmail, all you need to do is press the compose button and a new message will pop up. And we'll go ahead and address this to me. Oh, that's not how you spell my email address. And put the subject test. And basically all I need to do is, instead of hitting send, come to this little triangle next to send. It says more send options, and we have schedule send. And what it's going to do is give me some options. So it auto-generates tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, Monday morning, and so on. Or I can pick a specific day and time. So I'm going to schedule this to go out at Monday at 10 a.m. And schedule. And that's really all there is to it. Now, if you need to go back and edit a scheduled email, or maybe you want to cancel it for some reason, well, there's a little section that pops up on the left side of Gmail that says scheduled, and you simply need to click on that and it will show you your message. So that's really all there is to it. It's a super useful and super easy feature to use, but it's often overlooked because it's hidden in Gmail's interface. That's going to be it for today. Thanks for tuning in. We release new tech tips every weekday at noon, and we have a bunch of other great content, so definitely hit that subscribe button and check out thedae.com for a list of our private lessons, online classes, and the other content that we offer. So that's going to be it. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all tomorrow at noon.